Hi, everybody. I just wanted to do a video on how to use units in Oil Love Team discussion page. So most of you know that we started a new page called Oil Love FAQ with the top 20 asked questions in doTERRA, and it was our add 'em and tag 'em page for everybody who was new or needed a refresher on how to use their oils and all that kind of information. But we found that having two separate Facebook groups to add people to was getting a little bit cumbersome. So what we're trying to do now is incorporate all that FAQ information right into this group here so that when you sign up new people or you want to add existing people to our team page, you just have to add them here. So units are found on the side when you're on a desktop over on the side here, right under discussion. And the thing about units is it's kind of like a little mini class. So I'm excited for it because we can challenge new people to go through a unit, and when they're done, they can mark it as done, and then we can go back and check and make sure they did it, and then we can give them a little prize. So it's another way for us to help people get started using their oils instead of buying kits and having them sit in their cabinets unused because they don't know what to do with them. And it also helps them learn and see what the oils do, and it creates retention, and it helps our teams grow and all of that kind of good stuff. So anyway, when you click on units, you're going to see right now we just have one unit loaded called doTERRA 101 Getting Started. We'll eventually be adding more posts to this. I'll probably do a doTERRA 102, and then we can add all kinds of other options. Like we could do a special unit on pets, or we could do a special unit on emotions, or a particular product line like LLV or something. So it's pretty exciting, the potential, but for now it's just going to be the basics. So you can click on this and see that there are 5 posts here. So and you can also see me personally, I've gone through 5 of these, and I still have one more post to go through for me to finish this unit. So let me just see what it says here. This is for me. I can edit or delete the unit. But if you click on the unit itself, then it'll bring you to all the different posts that there are. So I'm going to click on the first post, and you can see that this is kind of an overview of what the doTERRA 101 Getting Started unit is, and you can read a description. And then you can go down to the Start Here free ebook. If you guys haven't checked out the free ebook yet, it's awesome. It's got all the top 13 oils, and it's in the Files tab. So it tells you to look at I Got My Oils Now What, download your free copy of the ebook, and it tells you to go to the Files tab, and then here's a customer service number and a product catalog, and then it gives you the table of contents for the rest of this unit. So once you are done looking through that and you've clicked on the link to look at the catalog, you can click Done, which you can click I'm done, which you can see that I'm already done here. You can then go look at comments on this, and you can see who has seen this post. And it looks like there's 3 people who have seen it so far. And then you can add a comment or click on comments or whatever. So this is where you would tag someone to go look at this post. Yeah, it looks like you have to go into the first post in order to tag them. You can also tag people on every individual post there is. So here's post 1, has a little short video. It talks about apps and ordering supplies, and there's a bunch of links, etc. And then you can see I did this one as well. But now if I go back up and click on, let's see, I'm going to start over, go to units, look at all the posts. You can see that I haven't finished this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And then I guess it doesn't take you right to the post, but go down to the one you haven't finished and then read through it, and then click on the link that it has so that you can read through this. And this is a link to how to host a class and little tips on how to make a list of people to invite people to, etc. So they can download this and print it. And then it tells you what other things are available in the Files tab if you want to host a class and get free stuff. So this is all the information they're going to need. And there's a couple photographs that they can look at as well on different topics. So now that I've seen everything, I can click I'm done. And it will show that I'm done with that post. And your people can do the same thing as well. Now, if you want to go track your people and see that they've completed a post, maybe you offered a roller bottle or some kind of a prize for them to finish, you can go to Group Insights. And this is going to show you an overview of the units that we have and all the posts within that unit and the number of completions. So you can see 2 people finished each one of these posts. If you want to see the details of who finished them, you can click on Download Details, and then it generates a little spreadsheet that you can download. It says, we're preparing your completion insights now. You'll get a notification as soon as your insights are ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to go up here to my notifications, and it looks like it's already done. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to want to download it. And then it's going to be in a CSV spreadsheet format. Now, it looks like it automatically put it into numbers because I'm on a Mac, but I'm assuming that it can put it on Excel. So if you guys want to go ahead and try that and let me know, hopefully it'll just do it on whatever system you have on your computer. So you can see here that it looks like Donna and I completed all the posts, all the units that are available, and then it'll tell you the details here. We both completed Start Here, and we both completed posts 1 through 5 in the doTERRA 101. And then you can save this to your computer, you can print it, download it, whatever. So that's basically it. It's pretty easy. So if you're challenging someone to do it, just have them go to units. I think it might be in a different place if you're looking at it on your phone, but it's still possible to go through everything on your phone. So, oh, here, up at the top, learning posts completed. So there's 12 total. And then here's new members in this group. And then here's all the comments. So this is more pertaining to units. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have ideas for units, let me know. If anyone wants to create a unit, let me know that as well. That would be great. I will go ahead and just continue working on the other units for the FAQ stuff, and then we can do extra topics after that. So anyway, have a great day.